This is Njambiz Tutorials, where we learn digital marketing, branding, and business tips and tricks. Subscribe for videos every week. Today, I want to show you how to create a LinkedIn company page for your business in 2021 with the new look LinkedIn. LinkedIn's new layout, new features will give you a lot more to be able to accomplish with your company page. And I do have to point out, do not create a personal profile or a profile and give it your business name. This will be very limiting in what you can do. It will require information that you cannot fill in for the business, for example, like work experience, which is not valid for the business. So if you want to create a business page, a business profile on LinkedIn, it's always good to create a company page. It will be structured for your business needs. Now, while you're logged into your personal profile, as you can see, I've already done. Log into your personal profile, and at the top menu, the right hand side, you'll see work. Click on the drop down on that. Then scroll down to the very last thing. You'll see create a company page and click on that. Now LinkedIn will give you the option to pick which kind of business page you want to create. There's small business for fewer than 200 employees. Medium to large business, more than 200 employees, a showcase page, sub-pages associated with an existing page. Now this would be good if you have branches for your business, different branches for your business, and you want to showcase each branch with its own page linked to the main page of the business. That would also work for a showcase page. Educational institute if you're a school or university. Now I'll pick small business and go ahead and fill in the required details. This is just a demo page for now. I don't have a website, so I'll leave that blank. I'll select the industry, the company size. I'll select 2 to 10 employees. Then the company type, I'll put that as private. Then it requires me to upload a logo. Let me select that and put in your tagline. So once I've filled in those details, I'll go ahead and verify that I'm authorized to represent this organization and create page. Alright, so it's giving you build your page, the details you need to add to complete your page. So I'll go ahead and click on this and add the details. Starting with a description. Like I said, I don't have a website, so for now I'll leave this open and click I don't have a website. If you have a website, of course, you paste your link in there. Industry, I had already selected all this. You can enter a phone number for contact and enter the year it was founded. For this, I'll put 2020 and specify specialty, for example, training, depending on your line of work. That is the thing that describes what it is you do, the services you offer, and you can add up to 20 specialties. So I'm done with this. I'll go ahead and save that and come to the next thing. I'll put in location. So I'll select my country. This doesn't have an office, so I'll just say my organization doesn't have a street address. If you have an office location, you can put in the details. And go ahead and save. So I'll just go through, just make sure all the information is entered. Yes. So if you want a custom button at the very top, especially if you have a website, you'll want to turn this on. Then fill in, for example, you can say contact us, learn more about the business, register, sign up, or visit website, and put in the URL. Since I don't have a website for now, I'll leave that off. So the button I'll have is just follow the page for now. and I'll save this. So my page info is complete. I've put in the page info, I've selected the button, I've done the overview and location. So I'll go ahead and close this and show you the complete page. You can also put in hashtags with your industry topics that you might be interested in participating in or seeing. You can create your first post now. We can scroll down, come down and put in a cover image, and you can see the recommended dimensions for that cover image so that it fits perfectly on your banner. So I've put in the banner. I'll just check everything looks good. You can now go ahead and share the page, and it will give you the options to share in a post on your LinkedIn profile, to send in a message to specific people. You can copy the link and post it on other social medias. You can share directly to Facebook or Twitter. You can also invite your connections to follow your page. Just click on invite, select the connections you're inviting. So I've finished selecting the connections I want to invite. At the very top, as you can see, I have a limit. I can only invite 150 connections because I have 150 credits available, but that will refill on December 31st. So as of 1st of January, I can be able to invite a few more connections. So I'll go ahead and just invite these. So it's sending invites, and those have been sent out, as you can see here at the bottom left. So that should help my page following grow organically. I should be able to start now growing my page. I can create a post. As you can see the remaining credits. There are no remaining credits here. I'll return on the 1st and see how many credits I get to invite more people to follow my page. Then you can go and view this page as a member with your own profile, so that you can also follow your own page and be the first to follow the page. And that's how you create a LinkedIn company page, as well as invite your connections to like your page. You can share the page on your other social media platforms. You can share it in a post on your LinkedIn page. I'll click on view as admin. You can come back and now manage your page. You can edit at any time, and you can share a post, whether a photo, video, document or poll, at any time on your page. And that's how you create a LinkedIn company page. Remember, to do this, you need to be on your desktop. You will not be able to create the company page from your mobile. However, you are able to manage it from your mobile device. And that's it on today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. Comment below if there's something you'd want me to show you on how to do on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram or any other social media platform. Comment below. Let me know if there's a video you want to see on this channel for digital marketing tutorials, branding and business. And if you haven't, subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. That way you won't miss out on future tutorials, digital marketing tips and tricks. Subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.